Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. If this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, today's video is on a strong buy for CENX, Century Aluminum. There's a lot of news going around for Century Aluminum right now. It's up to $18.95. Has a nice little dip. It's up 12% for the day, and with this little dip going on, it's basically indicating it's going to go up to about $20. It has previous support at $24 and $24.34, but from some analyst reports that I've been reading, that they have increased it to about $30 price point, and I believe it's a strong stock to get into. I've been watching it for a while. It dipped at 16.20 and started pulling up. And when it went to 16.38, I was like, I am going to buy. I bought one share. I'm up 15%, about $2.54. And let me show you why, basically, I think this company is a strong buy. It has 1,864 employees, and basically what they do is they have smelter companies or smelter facilities for aluminum, which turns ingot basically into usable aluminum sheets. And basically, from the news that I'm reading and from all the analyst reports, it is booming. There's an article here on YouTube. I don't want to click on the video or show the person's information. I want you to feel free to go do that on your own. I could even maybe leave a link in the description, but I don't want to get any copyrights on me. So it's jobs full-time, Hawesville, Kentucky, Century Aluminum. And basically, it's a 30-second clip, and he says that they're hiring 250 full-time employees to reopen the smelter and get it operational again, because of this tariff with Trump and everything going on. So we're basically instead of outsourcing to China to get aluminum, we're bringing in jobs to the USA. We're also opening up a new facility, and we're going to start smelting our own and making our own aluminum in the United States. So it's a great opportunity. If you want to check it out again, it's jobs full-time, Hawesville, Kentucky, Central Aluminum. Feel free to check his little clip out. It's 30 seconds. And I'm just going to move on and talk about a little bit more. Right now it's a 2% higher buy, but that's good. You want to see a 2% higher buy. I mean, yeah, you might not have been lucky enough to buy on the dip right here, but it's showing growth. And just like here before in December when it was at 13, it had a steady growth all the way until January and was up 85% for the year. So I believe it has the opportunity to do that as well and get to the $30 mark. It has a great price earnings ratio at 38. It is a little high, but it is it is workable, it is doable, it is an average amount for how much they have. $1.47 billion market cap. They have 2.37 million average volume. And again, guys, for those of you who aren't long-term trading, you're only swing trading, it's very volatile as well. The 5-year chart, look at all this activity. You can buy low and sell high, every month if you wanted to, and you can. And if not, you can hold it long term. Now, some of the other news that I have seen with CENX is from tradingview.com, and as you can see, I'm not even signed in, I'm not even a member. It's all free information. No one's paying me to say this. It's just you can get on and use it. So that's free information for you. It shows you some charts here on the overview, and you could also look at the 1-year charts and different things. It shows the little dip here, a little cup that I like to call it. Saying that it is a buy. It's not a strong buy, but in my opinion, it's a strong buy. But they are showing a buy right now. With everything going on, I believe it's not a strong buy. All the news, and you could read the news here. I don't want to get into it very much. Again, if you want to look at this, you can go to tradingview.com. And just kind of shows some of the different stuff on here and news articles, why it's a buy. But what I like about tradingview.com is it does the technical analysis for me, so maybe you don't even have to watch these videos anymore or someone else's videos. You could basically go out and do this research on your own at tradingview.com. So Again, no one's telling me to say this, but it's just a new website that I found that I really enjoy using. It's really cool, and they show 4-hour, even 1 month charts, 15 minutes if you want to get more technical, but I like the 4-hour, and right now it's showing a buy, which is really good. The oscillators and moving averages, guys, are showing a buy and strong buy right now, and with that said, you don't even have to look at all this information here on the screen. All you have to do is go and look at strong buy and buy on oscillating and moving averages, but it shows you what it's going on. It's exponential moving average 200 is at a 18.89, which is showing a buy. You could even get into pivots, classic, Fibonacci, Camarilla, Woody, DeMark. All those are right here on tradingview.com if you want to get into that, okay? Also, I believe I just earlier I had clicked on an article when I was looking at it this morning, and it like popped up a Yahoo Finance page. So this is also something that's really cool. 4 reasons to add Century Aluminum to your portfolio. And again, this is just for free. I'm not signed in. I don't even think I have a Yahoo account anymore. Maybe I do. I don't know. But that's besides the point, because Yahoo Finance basically is saying that 4 reasons to add Century to your portfolio, and here's why. It has a solid rank and VGM score, with Zach ranked number 1 as a strong buy, and VGM score of a B, A or B combined, that's a buy with Zach ranked number 1 and number 2. So it's also an outperformer. Company shares have rallied around 29% over this period, compared to roughly 4% gains by other industries. Now look at that, CENX 30% compared to ZSI, I believe. And it's outperforming very well. It's super volatile, but that's okay. You know, you don't want to be on ZSI if it's not going anywhere. You want to be able to buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, or at least add to your position every time it bottoms out. Add more, so when it goes up again, you have a larger position to add to that account. And if you want to know what I'm fiddling with, it's my iHeartRadio on my phone. I thought it'd be nice to play a little bit of music on the background, and right now it just seems to kind of be like a distraction, or kind of like in my way. And so maybe that's not the best thing to do, but I am trying to get another song on here. And anyways, back to the video. It has strong growth. It's showing a 70% expected earnings for 2019, with an year over of 313% from last year of growth. So it has so much growth potential. It has been going up. You can also see some other news. Where is it at? Or maybe that's it. The story continues right here. There's also other stocks you consider, but I do believe this is a strong buy. And again, guys, you can buy this on Robinhood, free commission, 0 down, and no charges. So anyways, if you liked the video, feel free to smash the like button and share with your friends, or just share on Facebook and let them watch it for themselves if they want. But help me out and smash that like button, guys. Alright, and you guys have a great day.